This is a 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 2500, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 6.6-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Features include a sunroof, a navigation system, XM satellite radio, a low tire pressure indicator, interior wood trim accents, running boards, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 72,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Texas Auto is located at 16200 Highway 3 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.